Are you ready to take charge and sell your home yourself? It's an exciting journey, and with the right preparation, you can achieve a successful sale. Let's dive into our ultimate for sale by owner to-do list, your roadmap to becoming your own realtor. First things first, get your house in tip-top shape. We're talking deep cleaning, decluttering, and making the exterior shine. Think fresh flowers, crisp landscaping, and a welcoming feel. Research your market value using online tools, appraisals, or even consulting a real estate agent to get a competitive price. Don't forget to gather essential documents like title reports and surveys. A title company can be helpful here. Now let's make your home a star. Invest in professional photography that captures its beauty. Craft a compelling listing description that highlights its unique features and amenities. Consider using ChatGPT for help. Don't underestimate the power of for sale by owner websites such as Zillow, FSBO.com, My Home, MySale.com, and Craigslist. They're all your friends. Utilize social media to spread the word and get your listing seen. A catchy yard sign in a high-traffic location will also grab attention. Open houses are optional but can be a great way to showcase your home to potential buyers. Just remember to schedule them, put up clear signage, and manage the flow of visitors. Offers are rolling in? Fantastic. Be prepared to negotiate like a pro. Research negotiation strategies and consider consulting a lawyer or real estate agent to review contracts and disclosures. They can make sure everything is legally sound. Remember, inspections are part of the process. Address any issues promptly to avoid delays. Finally, a smooth closing is key. Partner with a reputable escrow company to handle the financial details. Selling by owner requires dedication and planning, but the rewards are great. Don't forget these additional considerations. Determine if you'll offer seller financing or an investor sale. Also be sure to require buyers to submit a pre-approval letter. Factor in FSBO website fees and marketing costs. Most importantly, be responsive to inquiries and schedule showings. Potential buyers expect a quick response. This is just a starting point, but with this comprehensive to-do list on your side, you're well on your way to a successful buy-owner home sale. Remember, you've got this. And don't forget to check out our website, My Home, My Sale, for more DIY resources and support.